Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ProtoPie for app prototype testing without code. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type ProtoPie and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official ProtoPie website link. On the home page, locate the sign up or get started button, usually found at the top right corner. Click the button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options for different subscription plans. Review the available plans and select the one that meets your needs. If you want to start with a free trial, choose the appropriate option. Next, fill in the required information in the registration form. This includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use a valid email you can access. After completing the form, check for any terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. An email will be sent to your registered address for verification. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from ProtoPie. Click the link within that email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the ProtoPie website and log in. You will now have access to the ProtoPie dashboard. From here, explore the interface to familiarize yourself. To start your first prototype, click on the New Project button. Select a template or start from scratch as per your preference. Follow the on-screen prompts to design your app prototype. After completing your design, you can test it directly in ProtoPie. Enjoy creating and refining your app prototypes without any coding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.